Well, Attorney General Rob Bonta is specifically talking about the ability of a court like this one to take away guns from someone a judge believes could be a threat. The Attorney General says that has made the state safer, but not everyone agrees.
Enough is enough.
That's Attorney General Rob Bonta's message on the issue of gun violence. All of it in a state where, on average, more than 3,000 gun-related deaths take place every year, and in a country where, as of 2023, more than 42,000 deaths were attributed to guns.
The United States has a uniquely American disease of gun violence that all can be changed.
Change, he says, is happening in California, in part due to what are known as court-issued protective orders, when a judge can either restrict or prevent someone from owning a gun if the court finds that person to be violent, abusive, or dangerous.
Removing firearms from people who endanger others is a critical way to stop shootings before they erupt, and it's completely common sense.
This new report released by the Attorney General shows in 2023, statewide, there were a total of 288,000 court-issued protective orders, representing a 20% increase since 2020. Bonta believes that has helped keep California's gun mortality rate 40% lower than the nation's.
We have reduced gun violence because of these protection orders.
The problem is they have all these gun laws, but they don't work because the fundamental problem is you have to have deterrence for people who violate gun laws.
Republican Assemblymember Bill Essayli says that's his message in a state that already has some of the strictest gun laws on the books. He says he introduced bills to increase penalties for people who use guns illegally, but he notes those bills failed with no support from Bonta and the Democratic supermajority at the state capitol.
We had Assembly Bill 3037, which would have restored the firearm enhancement. It would have said that if you use the gun in a commission of a felony, you get 20 years added to your sentence. He did not support it, and in fact, the Democrats in this body rejected the bill. So that's why I don't take them seriously, and I don't believe them when they say they care about gun violence. They care about getting guns out of the hands of law-abiding citizens. That's what they care about.
And Bonta was very clear. He hopes other states do what California has done on gun violence protective orders. He believes that will save lives. Reporting at the state capitol, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.